Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time, Roses. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Already, before you go, gusto ko palinig ang wish ni Mommy para sa'yo. Good health, sana makita mong bait. Makakita ka sa'yo. Thank you so much. And in behalf of McDonald's team and family, we wish you a very, very, very good health, more birthday to come, and good things in life. Ito yung gift namin sa'yo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ron, so tingnan mo yung candle mo.